Hey, welcome. And finally, we are going to be able to combine the vendor's app and the customer's app to become one app. Okay. Now, to do this, we have to go to our file and then I'm going to search for the vendor's app. I called mine vendor underscore Oli. And what we just have to do is to go to the lib folder and copy this vendor folder and back to desktop. Then I'm gonna go to the Mutli multi-store, which is basically for the customers app, and click on lib. And what we just have to do is to paste this over here. Okay, sounds good. And back to our VS Code, and we're gonna have some errors for sure. You can see because the directory has been changed. In order to access some other directories, it needs to access some extra folders now. And what we have to do first of all is to delete this wrong location. And now we have to import this, highlight and use Control and dot. And it's going to take some time and we are then going to be able to import the location to this vendor registration screen. Okay, still waiting. We just have to be a bit patient. Okay, now you can see import library from auth slash vendor slash vendor registration. That's okay. Sounds good. And also we have to import this. Okay, import. And also we have to import the main screen. Sounds good. And the auth and get rid of this import and import the real part now and this as well. Get rid of this import and alive and use control and dot. Great. And this is basically it. And now we can go to the main dot file and what we also have to do is we have to rename this file to maybe customer registration screen, the customer register screen, because within the Flutter UI package, there is a widget known as register screen. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to the buyers app and we just have to rename this over here, alight and use control and D and control and D to alight similar names. And now we can call this maybe buyer register screen. Okay. And remember the reason we are doing this is because you can see now we have this package known as we have this package known as Flutter UI, Flutter Fire UI, and within this package, there is a widget known as register screen. So we are basically renaming that so it won't conflict with that register screen from the Flutter Fire UI. And this is now buyer register register screen. Okay, seems cool. Seems cool. Working as we expect. And now we can just use this to save all the unsaved files. And in the next lecture, we're just going to continue from here.